Mission Bwiswmuthi 1.0.
Please follow these steps to apply for services. To avail the services of Mission Bwiswmuthi 1.0, open your web browser and navigate to bwiswmuthi.bodoland.gov.in. On the home screen, select the services you are looking for and click on the Apply Now option. Here we are selecting the service for area correction for demonstration. After that, click on the Login Registration option to proceed further. If you do not wish to link your account with DigiLocker, then click on the Skip Now button in the corner. After logging in, you will see the Get Started option on the home screen. Enter the required details for the area correction process. Next, click on the User Verification option. If you don't have an Aadhaar card, select the PAN card for verification. Enter your PAN card details in the provided option, then click on Verify PAN after entering the details. Proceed to enter your land details. Select district. Then choose your circle. Select rural or urban and select your village. And then select your DAG number. Then proceed to enter the applicant's details in the next process. Proceed to the New Area option and click to enter new area details. Upload your verified documents, including Jama Bandi copy, land revenue payment receipt from respective Muzadar, Tehsildar, and ID proof. Click on the View Application Form option. Review your application details. Click on Accept Agreement and submit the application. Then click on the Finish option. After clicking the Finish button, the portal will redirect you to the login page. Click on the Login option, Skip Now option, and proceed for payment. You can use debit or credit card, internet banking or UPI. Here we are selecting UPI for the payment. We go to the UPI app in our mobile phone and authorize the payment. Congratulations, your payment was successful. Print your acknowledgement receipt for further use. You can track your application in the dashboard after logging into your account. Please follow the same steps to avail all the services of Mission Bwiswmuthi 1.0. Thank you for watching the demo